Hello guys, we are doing the giveaway for the headlights. My first time doing a giveaway, about to award the giveaway. It's gonna be completely random. It's through the website. Let me show you exactly how we are going to do it. It does it completely random, just ready to reward. I am recording this, so it'll go on YouTube as well. I got 430 people who entered, which is nuts. I didn't expect 430 people to enter, and they had 8,271 entries altogether. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and click the ready to award button. So here we go, ready to award. Okay, but that is the winner. As shoot, I will send you an email. And it says here, which is really cool, 33 entries, pretty cool. Probability of winning 0.40%, which is crazy. So on this part right here, it didn't record the audio of us talking, but this is the winner. You can follow him on his Instagram here to see his Jeep. So we spoke a little bit. He was telling me he's from Michigan, so that's pretty cool to, you know, have somebody pretty far away from me win, and that's pretty awesome. And he also said that it's his first time winning something like this, a raffle. I mean, considering the chances of 0.40%, that's amazing. I think that's really cool. I've never won anything online, so I think that's really awesome. Another thing, his Jeep is a 4.0 and it's $19.99 if you guys were wondering. So I already went ahead and ordered the headlights for him, and they should be shipping out late January. Apparently it's back ordered or something, I don't know, but they already purchased and sent out to him, so hopefully he gets it, you know, early February. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking the time and entering the giveaway. I really appreciate you guys taking the time and entering for the giveaway. Hopefully we can have more in the future. All right, peace. Thank you guys for participating.